So, in the second part, we're going to actually install the dependencies for Cafe and download and build from source. So the same process as OpenCL. So we'll open up a terminal and I'll start running these commands line by line. So I will pause the video and return when I get to the bottom of the command chunk there. Okay, so I've got all the dependencies installed and we're gonna bring the source code for Cafe down. Follow this exactly, so we will change to home and we'll get this resource from the Q Engineering website or GitHub. And while Cafe's downloading, oh, it didn't take that long, sweet. We'll unzip it. And it looks like we're gonna move a file into the directory. We'll do that. So it's got some CUDN and instructions here, but I'm gonna run a build without CUDA. So I'm gonna copy makefile config that's configured without CUDA. First we have to change directory into Cafe. That. And then we will run this command. So that creates a config file. So we'll type that in clean, and we'll begin the build process for Cafe. So it looks like it's scanning a lot of C++ files here. I am gonna pause the video and return when this process is finished. Cool, that make all command is run, so we're gonna run a test version. Just put the command in and enter. So it looks like it's doing a similar sort of process. I'm imagining it's just testing the build. So I'll pause the video and return when this process is finished. So we just completed the make test. So now we're going to actually run these tests. So we'll enter the command and hit enter. And this is looking very nice. Looks like we're getting like a clean build. So I will pause the video and return when this process is finished. Cool. The tests looks like it's all come back clean. Computer's just slowing up a bit here. Yeah, I didn't see any errors. So we will make this PyCaf. So Python build. We're utilizing a lot of Python to run the Deepdream model. So run this. and we'll also run this make pi test. Cool. So it looks like that's interesting. I think this actual this make all was the actual process of building Cafe. Because yeah, we're pretty much at the end of the guide. We just got to add some paths to a certain file here. So cd home. Gonna copy and paste this here, sudo nano, and it wants us at the end of the file add the next line. Add this at the end of this file. So we're at the end. Paste this here, and then we'll hit enter. Cool. And then we'll exit out of nano. So that's the installation for Cafe. So basically all we need to do now, well, there's still a lot of things we need to do, but our next step is actually we're gonna get the Deepdream repository. So copy this and then we'll git clone and paste in our address. Cool. So